At the end of each year, homeowners are expected to pay property tax. By paying property tax, residents are contributing to the livelihood of our community. Today on O'Fallon Matters, we met up with City of O'Fallon Finance Director Vicki Boschert to learn a thing or two about property taxes.
Property taxes are split between many public entities. It's split between the state of Missouri. There's a lot of St. Charles County functions such as alarm and dispatch, the library district. You have your school district in there, your fire department, and the City of O'Fallon.
Property tax benefits the City of O'Fallon, and it also keeps other public services running.
Property taxes fund a lot of crucial things within the community. One of the most important is probably being your child's education and emergency management services such as your fire department, your police department, your ambulance district. It also funds the infrastructure of the city, so our new Justice Center that we're currently constructing, that was funded. It's something desperately needed for our police officers, and we have some new structures that are going to start being constructed next year, which will be our O'Day Park will start being developed. We'll have a new recreation center and an expansion to our Alligators Creek, and that's our current infrastructure projects.
You may be wondering how property taxes are calculated. Well, here's the answer.
We first get an assessment from St. Charles County of what the properties assess at, which is basically they take the value of your home, and for residential they multiply it by 19%, and that gets the city the assessment. So we set a rate based on the same property we taxed last year. We set a rate to generate approximately the same amount of revenue with an additional cost of living that the state of Missouri dictates to us what that cost of living can be.
Did you know that seniors can take advantage of certain property tax saving provisions offered by the state?
The state of Missouri has what's called a Homestead Exemption, and for people that are seniors or if you are 100% totally disabled, if your property values increase on a non-assessment year, so a year that they don't change what the value of your property is, if it increases by more than 2.5%, or on a reassessment year when they actually go back and revalue your property, if it changes by more than 5%, then you may be eligible for certain property tax credits. And I do have a phone number. If anybody is interested, you can contact the state at 573-751-3505.
If you would like more information on property taxes, you can visit www.ofallon.mo.us. Once you're there, you need to click on Departments and then navigate to Finance.
We have all of our tax information on there, property tax, sales tax information as well if you're interested. Or you can go to the St. Charles County website, to the county collector's office, and there is a tax rate page for each year, and you can compare our tax rates with other taxing jurisdictions as well.
Hopefully, the information we provided you on this segment of O'Fallon Matters will help you better understand what property taxes are and why they are important for the City of O'Fallon and other public institutions around St. Charles County.